Hello and welcome to another video. This time we're going to look at a way of displaying what's inside our registers. We'll be looking at two things here, including extra code files in our project, as well as displaying what values are inside our registers. Again, all you need is Nano and your Easy80 assembler. So if we look at our program, one of the things I need to emphasize is that previously we included macros, and we need those again today. But these need to be put in right at the top of our file. This is so the assembler can understand all the commands that it might need to interpret. We're also going to include an extra debug ASM file. This is going to contain an extra routine for debugging our A register. If we take a quick look, you don't need to understand everything that's in this file or how it works, but the key thing is that it's going to print the A register on the screen as a hexadecimal byte pair at position BC. As we move through our program, we'll do the usual thing, clearing the screen to start with. But here's a new routine, hiding the cursor. VDU 2310 will hide the text cursor. We're going to do that so it doesn't keep flickering on the screen. Thinking back to lesson 3, we were loading the system variables into IX, and then checking what the last key pressed was by looking at IX plus 5. We're going to do the same again here, but we don't really know what it is unless we can see it. So this is where our new routine comes in. We're going to load B with 10, which is going to be our X position, C with 5 for our Y position, and then call this routine print hex A, which was in our debug file. This will print the value of A as a hexadecimal value on the screen. We then keep going round in a loop until we hit the escape key. So if we go onto our Agon and assemble this, we'll then load the file and run. And so now we can see on the screen the last key that was actually pressed. Now if I press on the keyboard, for instance, A, we get the hexadecimal value of A. B, C, D, E, F, and so on. Space, as we know, is 32 in decimal, or in hexadecimal, that would be 20. Hit the escape key, and we quit our program.